Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at an AUX ion cable audio and cord specifically compatible with the Auvio XB40210WS and XB42210WS ultra-thin ultrasoundbar and subwoofer models, including CAT.NO 4000479. This cable is designed to connect your audio sources to these specific Auvio sound systems. According to the product details, this is a high-quality 3.5mm 1/8-inch audio AUX cable lead cord, made with quality materials and tested. A practical benefit highlighted is its design for easy carrying and storage, aiming to prevent messy or tangled cables for user convenience. Safety is a significant focus. The product information states this cable complies with top industry standards and holds international quality certification. It incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including protection against short-circuiting, over voltage, over current, and internal overheating. This emphasis on safety is presented as a core aspect of the product's quality. The cable features an auxiliary connector type. While primarily for the Auvio soundbars, compatible devices are listed as PC, and a special feature is noted as light. Users should verify the 3.5mm size matches their specific Auvio soundbar model's AUX input before buying, as recommended. From the Jantoy brand, the goal is a satisfactory shopping experience, believing quality determines everything. This cable is presented as a reliable audio connection for the compatible Auvio soundbar models, highlighting quality, convenience, and its important safety features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.